Hey guys, welcome back to another weekend.
Hey, what's up everyone?
It's that time again. Time for another oil change with Casey this time.
She's gonna give us a helping hand.
Yeah, she wasn't down for her nap, so we're bringing her along. We're getting ready for, well, Christmas just passed, so we're getting ready for the New Year's trip this weekend, and we're kind of due for an oil change, and we definitely want to get that done this weekend. Because we're gonna be going like how many miles? Like how far are we going? Like 200?
I think like 280.
Like halfway to
maybe
Vegas,
200.
right?
I think 200.
Yeah, like about halfway to Vegas. So we just want to get that changed. Again, this time around, the last time we changed the oil, we added the fumoto little valve thing to drain the oil. So we're gonna be using that for the first time. So that'd be pretty cool. And again, we're using Amsoil products. These are the oils that we're using, 550, and we also got the Amsoil filter, EA098. So everything's pretty much prepped. It's gonna be really quick. The jacks are up, so it can help, for Kevin to get down under there. I'm obviously not getting down under there.
Yeah, you could just
yeah, so you can just kind of slide under there.
So
yeah, there's the filter, it's ready to go. We just gotta get the oil pan under, drain it. Yeah, the valve's right there. So
I'm gonna bring everything and we'll just do it one shot.
yeah, the valve's right there, so we should be able to just switch that. So I'm excited to see how that works. So I'm just gonna get that pan under and we'll get started. Alright. Got the pan under there. And we're ready.
Let me get the safety clip out. So this should be fairly easy. Well, maybe I should stand this up. Oh yeah, there you go. Even a lesser mess. All right, here we go.
Steady.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, nice.
So
wow,
I believe
pretty clean.
It's gonna be a super clean oil change, but the flow rates is a little slow because it's coming out of a smaller hole. But you know what? We'll just leave it there.
Yeah, here, you want to grab the camera?
Oh, yes. So that was super convenient. You know, I was just so used to draining it out into this pan and then having it to put it into the gallons and then bring it to work. So now I could just do it this way. Oh, it's supposed to be less of a mess, but I guess I made my own mess. So, let's see. But yeah, it works pretty cool. Flow rate's a little slow, but it's okay, working on our patience. I keep on moving the container, which defeats the whole purpose of a clean oil change. So let's just leave that be. Well, since I'm down here, I'm gonna just scoot my way over to the water separator. And I believe it's this. Oh no, actually it's down there. This is the DEF. So let's go down here. Oh, there it is. All right. Lexi, wait. Let's go ahead and open this up. Maybe I should get a container. 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, got myself a container. Let's go ahead. I believe just turn this or something like that. Oh, there it is. Alright, oil filter's on. Drain plug is closed. Safety clip is back on. I think we're ready for some fresh oil. So I'm gonna lower back the rig down so that way it's easier for me to get up there. Alright, let's see. I'm just put you guys down for a second.
All done?
Almost there.
Oh, looks like we missed most of the oil change, huh?
Yeah, but I recorded everything so you can watch it later.
This one was getting hungry. You're getting hungry, huh? Now she's milk wasted. Fall asleep. You sunbathing?
Yeah, so I got, I think 1 gallon in so far. This is the 2nd gallon. Then we have another gallon to go. So I think other than that, we should be good.
Alright.
Yeah, I was pouring it and I took the dipstick out just to get some better airflow. Help a little bit. And warming up the engine definitely helps too. So,
That's it, right?
yeah,
Did
I
you
think.
put the new filter on already too?
Yeah, I already put the new filter on. Got that in the video.
Look at me asking you for your checklist.
Well, so
I guess that's it, huh?
that was the oil change. Quick
Yeah.
and easy. I mean, the more we do it, the easier it gets.
Yeah, how did that fumoto, the little valve, how did that work out?
That worked out pretty well. So the next time I'm gonna stick probably a tube. I think it's meant for a little tube that you can stick up in there.
Yeah.
And then have it drain through the tube. That way it gets a little cleaner. I'm still gonna try to figure out the oil filter situation because I tried to puncture a hole in it. Maybe I didn't do it deep enough to get to the 2nd layer. But anyways.
Oh, I guess that's how good Amsoil filters are.
Yeah. Well,
The
Amsoil
other
is
ones-
quality, so
those
I
other
like
ones, they
it.
puncture right away, you know, like.
Yeah, maybe there's just different layers. I don't know. I gotta look more into it.
Well, I guess
But
that
other
does
than
it. That does it for, you know, the oil change video and maintenance. We should be heading out tomorrow to get the weekend
Tomorrow,
started.
yes.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna feel more confident having a fresh oil change. I did also do the water separator switch, so I had some of that in the clip too.
Oh, the fuel separator.
Yeah, I guess I read up on the manual. It says to drain about half a gallon, so I drained half a gallon. Should be. I'm gonna prime the truck, get the fuel pump to fill up the filter housing, and then we could just start it right up and enjoy our trip.
All right. Well, I hope everybody had a good Christmas. We will see you guys next year, huh?
Yeah, it'll be
Yeah,
next
we'll
year.
See you guys next year. This is the last video for 2024.
Yes,
Next
it is.
video will be 2025.
Yep.
Yeah, looking forward to it, guys.
Thanks for joining us as much as possible. We really appreciate you guys watching us. And also Casey.
Definitely more to come.
Definitely more to
It's a little
come.
slow pace now, but more
Yeah.
to come, guys.
And in there, I'm going to try to get more involved in the recording and vlogging and all that. Just for some practice.
All my duties.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to help to have another hand on hand. So, some more learning, some more videos coming for you guys. I hope you guys have a happy holidays, and we'll see you guys next year.
Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.
Bye.